and it comes in this really pretty bottle. Ooh! So I'm hoping that I've got it. I mean, it seems kind of bulletproof. It's just like, it just like looks like your friend. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I finally got my Sephora VIB order in, and I am really excited because one of the things that I got in the order is this Tan Lux Tan Body, Tan Lux The Body. It's an illuminating self-tan drop, which basically you apply the drops to your lotion and you apply it to your body. The other thing that I wanted to do is give you a little bit of background about the product. So it comes in this really sleek white packaging, which I absolutely love, and you just take off this in this really pretty bottle. This little dropper here. I got the shade medium dark. It claims to, it says tailor-made tanning concentrate with skin firming properties. Hello, everyone needs that. To transform your favorite body lotion, cream, or oil into a bespoke self-tan. No streaks, no smells, no drama. Girl, there's always drama. Vegan friendly and cruelty free. Okay, apply. Mix 2 to 6 drops per body part with your usual body moisturizer and apply to the skin in a circular motion. It seems pretty straightforward. Watch me mess it up. I really love being tan, but I've tried certain lotions before, like the Jergens one. They all seem to have this sort of smell that goes along with it. I know if you have tried self-tanner before, probably the #1 complaint is the smell, because you don't want to smell like fake tan. I kind of want to smell it, and I also don't want to get it all over me. Okay. Ooh! Dang, okay. It has like a hint of self-tan. However, it has like a very potent kind of floral scent. Did I get it? Oh my God, did I get anything on me? Okay. It has a very powerful floral scent, which I was not expecting, as you can probably tell by my reaction. But that's actually kind of nice. And it's kind of like it's a little bit like the viscosity of it is like it's quite thick. That's a plus. I purposely didn't put any, I don't even have moisturizer on. I just wanted to give you the blank slate so that you could see for yourself if there's a change or not. This is just barefaced Brittany. So this apparently, well actually I had gotten the idea from a YouTuber that I watch. So she used the face tan drops, which is also by the brand Tan Lux. And so she used it just for her face. However, I thought, well, if I can use, you know, the body drops on my body, then why can't I use it on my face? That's what I'm gonna try. I mean, fingers crossed, hopefully future Brittany is not like, yeah, made a mistake. The positive thing about trying self-tanner now is that we're in quarantine. So if you look like a complete goof, then you don't really have to go out and see everyone in public. So that's what I'm trying it now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get prepped, and I'm gonna take a shower. I'm going to exfoliate. You should shave whatever parts you wanna shave. Basically, you have a clean slate to work off of. And then I am just going to use my normal moisturizer, which I'm gonna try it on my face too. I am going to use my CeraVe moisturizer, which I usually use. And then for my body, I have just kind of a lighter lotion by, I don't know, but I will insert a clip. Okay, so I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update on the tanning and how it went. I will give my final review here at the end, but this is just kind of a check-in. I've done 3 drops mixed in with my lotion all over my body. I did 1 drop on my face. I was a little nervous to do it on my face, and I do feel like there definitely was a difference. I will let you guys see for yourselves. The hands were the only thing you can kind of see where, this is probably just the fact that I don't really tan that often, but you can kind of see a line there. When I was washing my hands, I'm actually really happy with the results. So I'll give you my final review here in the next clip. So the last clip was my 1 week post update. And this is now 2 weeks post that I'm filming this. And I went ahead and tried out the Tan Lux drops again. The same thing, I used 1 drop on my face and 3 drops on my body. So I just wanted to show you what lotion I'm using. This is the St. Ives or St. Ives Refresh and Revive Pear Nectar and Soy Body Lotion. It's quite a thin lotion. I'll just show you here. Rubs in really nice. It's not super thick, and that's what I think is really helpful for this type of product, because you want the tanning drops to be able to show through the skin. That's just kind of how I think about it. So I used a little bit of a thinner lotion. And then for my face, you probably saw in a previous video that I just used the CeraVe one. And that seems to work quite nicely. So overall, I want to go over a few of my review points here for this product. I feel like the user friendliness of it is quite good, right? It's just a dropper and you just drop it into your lotion and you mix it in. So it's really like a 2-in-1 step, and it's quite an easy application as well as it's quite quick to do. With that said though, the second time I tried it, you'll see I still haven't mastered my hands or my wrists. I feel like that's kind of a finicky area. So I would take your time on those areas, and it could take a little bit longer just to apply. The other thing that I loved about this tanner is that it's customizable and it's gradual. So you can put as many drops in as you want for a darker tan, or you can just put one drop in for a little bit of a lighter look. And that's kind of what I did with my face. I was a little bit nervous to use the product on my face because if you tan your face too much, you look a little bit weird. Just put in one drop, and that seemed to give me enough color that I could match it up to my body. Overall, I felt like it was a quick application and you could blend it really well into the skin, just making sure that you're really being specific on those areas that tend to hold the product a little bit more. So like the elbows, the wrists, and the fingers. In terms of transferring onto clothing or any type of fabric, I was actually really impressed with it. I have all white bed sheets and there was no residue, no transfer onto white sheets. So it's not gonna wreck your clothes or your sheets or anything like that. Claims that it uses skin firming properties. I'm not sure if that's a total relevant or accurate claim. I personally didn't find that to be the case for myself. I don't know if you need to be using it a certain period of time. I wouldn't buy the product because it claims that it's going to firm your skin. So it was $60 for, I believe it's 1.69 fluid ounces and 50 milliliters. And as you can tell, this was 2 applications and I'm still near the top. I think it could go a pretty long way. So for $60, I think it's worth it in terms of being able to customize your tan and being able to get a gradual tan. I know for myself and for others like me who have pale skin, we really struggle with having a tanner that's not gonna make us look orange, isn't gonna make us look unnatural, because this is a really natural tanner. It's gonna make you look sun-kissed, but not in a way that makes you look like you've self-tanned. I feel like that right there is a really good selling feature of this product and something that I gravitate towards when I am buying self-tanning products. In terms of the smell, I was really excited about this product because it claimed that it doesn't have any smell, or that the smell is actually really nice and floral. I know you probably saw the first couple clips of when I smelled the product. I was blown away. I was like, wow, this is what it claims to be. However, when I applied it to the lotion and applied it to my skin, you still got that fake tan smell, which I was a little bit disappointed about, because when you smell it out of the bottle, it doesn't smell like that, but when you apply it to your skin, it does. Again, I feel like it's hard to get a self-tanner that's not gonna smell like self-tanner. Pretty much the downfall across the board when it comes to self-tanners. But like I said, if you are applying it with a really floral, fragrant lotion, you are gonna mask some of those smells. And so that's what I would recommend, is just don't use an unscented lotion and you're gonna smell it less. So like I said before, I used the Tan Lux The Body on my face. And I was a little bit nervous to do that because it is supposed to be for the body, you'd think, and not for your face, because they actually have a separate one for the face. I believe it's an additional $50. So it's a little bit less than the body one, but I mean, if I can use the body one, like I said, on my face, why not save that $50? And I feel like it worked. It worked as if I would have used the face one. So overall, I'm really impressed with this product. I feel like the fact that you can customize your tan, that it's a gradual tan, is really appealing, especially when it comes to pale skin people people or fair-skinned people. You want to have something that's natural and that you can apply without feeling uncomfortable wearing it, and that's exactly how I feel with this product. So I will continue to use it. So I really hope you enjoyed this kind of before and after review on the Tan Lux The Body Drops. If you'd like to see more videos like this, or you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, because I will be making more videos in the weeks to come. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.